What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm about to film in Dollar General for you today. It's been a minute. I noticed that you guys have been watching my Dollar General home video quite a bit. That video has been getting a lot of views lately. So I figured we would just take a look down the home aisle and see what sort of items are out right now. This store has tons and tons of new items and it looks really stocked up. So I wanted to give you guys a little peek at the rugs. They have a lot of runners and rugs. Look, you guys, just stocked so high. We have the little shag rugs for $15. We have the runners for $14. Most of these are 19.5 inches by 54 inches. This one is also 19.5 by 54. We have some area rugs that start at as low as $15, going up to $24. This one is 39 inches by 52 inches. We also have comforter sets and 2 packs of pillows for $8.50. If you guys find that you've been striking out finding some of the essential items that you may need at Walmart, sometimes we go weeks where there may be a particular item we don't see. Like I remember there was a week where I was looking for like washcloths, a particular kind of washcloth, or a certain thing for the kitchen. You guys know how it is since the pandemic started. Like some weeks we see everything we need, and then sometimes we have to look for a few weeks in a row to find other items. So Dollar General is definitely a good choice. But you guys, we have curtains, we have blackout curtains, tons and tons of washcloth. This is a 12 pack for $6.40, the Simply Lofty. And then we have an 18 pack for $5.05 of the basic white washcloths. And then up here, this is something that I'm always looking for. We have the light Piva shower curtain or liner. I like to use this under a cloth one. We have the heavier ones. These are $10.15. Another heavy duty that's $7. Another one for $10. I mean, we have a lot of clear options. It seems like Walmart only ever has like 1 or 2 options. And then we have some printed ones here. And then we also have some cloth ones for $9.65, textured fabric. And we have the sets, the 13-piece sets for $8.50. Ooh, I love these colors. I think this is, they're calling this bleach friendly. And we get all these pretty colors. I think they're $7.40. We have different color combos. Some are $6.40, mostly $6.40, $7.40, and $5.05 for the 18 pack. But then we also have bath towels for $3.85. The coordinating washcloths are $2.75, and the coordinating hand towels are $3.05. And these are some of the colors we have. Just a nice variety of colors. We even have a peach down there. And then we have some bath rugs. Ooh, this one looks so cozy. This is like a cat's dream come true. $8 for this one. It's microfiber. We have this style and it's padded, so it's going to be super soft and cozy to stand on. We have some sets. We have your basic cream and white. We have black. We have gray. I guess my point to you guys more than anything is that if you're striking out or not finding the variety that you want in the bigger stores like Walmart and Target, definitely check out Dollar General because they have way more than you would ever think, you guys. I mean, we have so many things for the kitchen, the bathroom. We have a lot of $1 deals. We have dollar towels for the kitchen. And then we also have nicer quality towels for $3, $2.75. We have 2 sets for $5, vinyl tablecloths, and then tons of accessories and things for the kitchen. Ooh, I might want to get this today. This is the Good Cook measuring spoon set This is cute. This is $3.50. We also have sink strainers. This is $3.50. I think this used to be $1 and some change, but it might be a different brand than what I've seen before. We have a lot of items from the Good Cook Essentials line and from the True Living line. Everything you need. Tenderizers, rolling pins. We have $1 slotted spoons, basting spoons, melamine slotted spoons. We have bamboo, turners and slotted spoons. We have skewers, spatulas, $1.50 for this cute little utility set. Cheese graters for $5, $1 silverware. I'm going to do a whole video dedicated to this area, but I want to take you guys back to where we first started at the beginning of the video, and I want to take you guys down the $1 deals aisle and just see what we could find down here that might be new. I mean, it is stocked really, really well. So let's go ahead and see what might be new. I know they've been having tons of toothpaste deals with the app to where this toothpaste is going to be completely free. We have insect repellent that's DEET free, petroleum jelly, baby body wash. We have trash bags, baby wipes. We have orange wipes. These are brand new, all-purpose orange wipes. We have multi-purpose cleaners. This is so great. In my house, we love this. This works so well and smells really good. $1 candles, not $1.25. You guys like Dollar Tree, just $1. We have dish soap. I don't think this Fabuloso belongs here, but we do have some big bottles. This is 48 ounces for $1. We have Spick and Span, Suavitels, Small Gains, Small Downies. We have detergent for $1, Ajax. We have Ultra Fabric Softener for $1. The brand is DG Home. Wool Wash, the $1 Scott toilet paper. Styrofoam plates, foam lunch trays, the Rapid Brownie Maker. That's new. And then of course we have tons of $1 drinks and snacks. We have alkaline water in the box, aloe mango water, energy drinks, even more up top, more energy drinks, $1 chips. And if you guys haven't ever tried these chips, you definitely have to give them a try. Their nacho cheese chips are very similar and very comparable to Doritos. They also have one that's like a ranch Dorito, and it's so good. Their chips are amazing. I really, really love them. So if you're tired of like overpaying for chips and spending $3, $4 a bag, give these a try. I think you guys will really like them. We also have this area of $1 cleaning supplies. A lot of the items are out right now, but when it's stocked, it's like a super huge area of choices. These are definitely new though. These are the heavy duty sponges for $1. They have the scrubby sponges that you can just hold on to, the little dish brushes, the multi-packs. A lot of times they have magic erasers here as well. Toilet brushes, and then all the cat treats and dog treats. My cats love these so much. Okay, what do we have? How many ounces do we get? 2.1 ounces. That's 2.4 ounces. I think I'm gonna get some of the crunchies. And that's 2.1, the Pounce, and then we have the Whisker Lickens, and then the Temptations. My cats really love those. I think I'm gonna go for the Kitten Caboodle Crunchy Treats though. I'm gonna get a couple bags of those. $1 each. Super great deal. But yeah, you guys definitely come check out your dollar deals aisle if you haven't checked it out in a while. All of these items, well, a lot of these items are also sold at Dollar Tree, but you can get them here for just $1. I mean, look, you guys, they even have the bowl spray. Those are often really hard to find at Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, look at this humongous bottle, you guys. 67.5 ounces of lavender pine glow for just $1. I love this aisle, you guys. And a lot of these items, they're name brand, so you can use your coupons too, and you can use the Dollar General app. But all right, you guys, that's it for me in this video. I'm headed back to that beautiful home aisle. I can't wait to see the super cute new decor that they have for spring and summer. That aisle is one of my favorite aisles in the store. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.